get asked the question a lot, how do you know there's a return on investment in putting these on? And my short answer is, how do you measure something that doesn't happen? Our goal is that our 43 Key Second initiative is going to give them the courage to have some conversations.
And it's the idea of just being cognizant of our actions in the car.
About the importance of safety of driving.
How people are responsible for their own actions.
Keep both parties safe.
It's the humanization of the story. And when you talk at an 1,800 student all-school assembly, you can tell by faces, body language, eye movement that they're listening, that they're getting this.
It was pretty insightful, taught me how to interact with the police better.
Every day we get told things that we're supposed to be safe on the road, but we don't really know the actual consequences and how often things really happen.
So we're just trying to come in and educate on that, bringing in subject matter experts in healthcare, law enforcement, trucking and transportation, to educate kids on areas that they probably don't get it because we don't have driver's ed in many schools anymore.
I learned about healthcare, how if a person is in a crash, how they'll be helped in order to make sure that they can survive.
And being knowledgeable as to what we can do to, be safer drivers, whether it's putting on our seatbelt, putting our cell phones away.
Thinking twice about your actions in the car.
Take those warnings as not lessons for them, but also lessons for me, and learn from other people's mistakes and not make those same mistakes myself.
Said whether you're the driver or the passenger, you have a responsibility.
And their actions will just as much affect you.
The money cannot restore the emotions or the trauma that the person is going through during the process of recovery.
If we can take that high school student that has been a super speeder, habitually texting and driving, reading emails, thinking they can do a TikTok or a Facebook Live post while they're driving, and they don't do that anymore, likelihood is we're going to impact them not getting in a crash.